brief introduction to the this chromatography studies. Unit 1, chromatography 1. The first chapter is solvent extractions. What is the chromatography? The chromatography is a chromo means color compounds. That means the separation of the chromo means color compounds. It's by differentiating and identify the by the observing the mixture of the organic compounds is completely separated. That is called chromatography. Chromatography means the chromo means color compounds. So it is by differentiating and observing the organic compounds and separating of the technique called chromatography. The definition of chromatography. Chromatography is an important biophysical technique that enable to the separation of and identification of the and purification of the organic compounds and mixture of the qualitatively and quantitative analysis. Chromatography is a important biophysical technique that enable to the separation, identification and purification of the compounds of the mixture of qualitative and quantitative analysis technique. It is the definition of the chromatography. What is the principle involved the chromatography? The principle of the chromatography behind the technique is basically a distribution and components of the mixture of organic compounds. This mixture of compounds, two phases are there. One is stationary phase and another one is the mobile phases. The principle of chromatography is the behind the technique basically distribution and absorption of the compounds, a mixture of organic compounds. The organic compounds are two phases. One is stationary phase, another one is the mobile phase. This is the principle of chromatography. The first one is solvent extractions. The solvent extraction, also known as liquid-liquid extractions, is a method of separation compounds based on the their relatively soluble into the two different immiscible liquids, usually water and organic solvents. Here you show the this diagram is the mixture. Two or more compounds are there in mixture compounds. The adding the solvent, the separation here red color is separated by the solvents. This is the extraction method. Only one compound is separated. The mixture also is positive. Another solvent is added. The green color or blue color are separated. This is the technique involved the solvent extraction method. Here is the two immiscible compounds are solvent is added. The organic mixture of organic compounds, the extraction of solvent, that is called solvent extraction. This is also called liquid-liquid extraction. Here the diagram, the mixture of organic compounds. First take the reactants 1 or 2. The product is also form the different color. This is the red color is formation of the products. These product isolation are extracted by adding to the the solubility of the solvent. These solvents are immiscible with reaction mixture. The immiscible reaction mixture, the solvent is extracted by the products. This is the red color product is extracted by the solvent and easily separate with the conical or separating funnels. Here you show the separating funnel technique. This diagram you show the separating funnel. This reaction mixture adding to solvent and shake to the this separating funnel and the equilibrium state. The two layers are separated. They easily separated by the various conical flasks. This is the experimental process of the extraction method. The solvent extraction working based on the distribution law. Solvent extraction working based on distribution law. Distribution of solute between immiscible solvents. That is called distribution law. The solute is distributed itself between two immiscible solvents. Solute will distribute itself between two immiscible solvents. So that the ratio of the concentration of each solvent is equal to the ratio of solute is soluble in the each one. That is the mathematical formula of the mathematical formula of distribution law is indicated as KD, means distribution coefficient or distribution ratio, and the distribution constant, this denoted as KD. KD equals to here C0. C0 means molar concentration of organic layer. C0 means molar concentration in organic layer. Divided by molar CW means molar concentration in aqueous layer. Here organic layer, aqueous layer, two immiscible solvents are immiscible solutions. These immiscible solution, solute means the product of the organic compound. The organic compound is attracted by the organic solvent or aqueous solvents. This is the any organic or aqueous layer solute is equal molar ratio. Equal molar ratio. This is the distribution equilibrium to the different layers. This is the tetrachloromethane water. The iodine equally molar distributed this technique. Solvent extraction. Types of the solvent extraction. There are three types. The first one is batch extraction. Second one is the continuous extraction. Third one is the counter current extractions. The first extraction method, the batch extraction method. The batch extraction method is a solvent extraction method. It is usually a most widely used this technique. Applied for distribution ratio is D. KD is high value. This batch extraction requirement is separating funnel, beakers and funnels. Experiment. In this technique, the aqueous phase containing the extraction contact with the immiscible organic solvent, and two phases shake vigorously at 10 to 15 minutes and allow to the equilibrium. After the high density layer is separated, and finally less density layer also separate out. This is the experimental procedure of this liquid extraction method. Here one experiment is how to use the separating funnel. This is the separating funnel. This separating funnel containing the, this is stop clock. Stopper is the on mode and off mode. This off mode, the reaction mixture is transferred into the this separating funnel. After separating funnel, adding to the solvent, the extraction solvent is added. This solvent is higher, high density is below the conical flask or separating funnel. The less density of the solvent is upper layer of this conical flask. Here is show the different, the density of the aqueous layer and organic layer. The first diagram, aqueous layer is less density, means the upper layer of this conical flask. Organic layer is high density, means the below of the conical flask. Here another diagram is show organic layer is less density compared with the aqueous layer. These two types of the layers is immiscible liquids. The organic compound extracted or products are extracted with the aqueous layer, and here also the mixture of organic layers, organic compounds are extracted with the aqueous layer, this reaction mixture. Here is show the take the conical separating funnel and shake the 5 to 10 minutes vigorously. Every time produced gas is released to the this funnels. This is the technique for five to 10 minutes vigorously shaking and release to the produces gases, and then by standing with the 5 to 10 minutes it to form to the two layers at equilibrium. 5 to 10 minutes at two layers. This is the one organic and aqueous layer, the separated by the different conical flasks. This is the one time extraction method. Slowly separate with the aqueous layer. This is the organic layer, the below is the aqueous layer. The density is high, the below of this layer. And then organic layer also separate with different conical flasks. This is the one time. The next time also the remaining mixture are separate with the adding to the solvent and similar to the experimental procedure, and shake to the 5 to 10 minutes and equilibrium with separate with the organic layer and aqueous layer. This is the batch type technique using to the separation of the organic or aqueous layers. This is called batch technique. This organic layer are very pure by the mixture of or pure by the products. The next method is continuous solvent extraction method, continuous extraction solvent method. This method extracted with the two types of, when the extraction solvent is heavier than the water. The second one is the organic solvent is lighter than the aqueous layer. The continuous extraction method is two types. One is the extraction solvent is heavier than the water. Second one is the organic solvent lighter than the aqueous. Here is show the this type of instrument is using to the continuous extraction method. Here this is the heating metal. The solvent is evaporated with the, this is the condenser. The water flow is the cooling to the this evaporated solvent. This solvent is this condenser is separate with different layers. This is the different solvents are extracted with the using to the first one is when the extraction solvent is heavier than water. It is a consist of tube. Already show the diagram. It is a consist of two reservoir. The reservoir containing the same organic solvent. The tube is fitted with condensers. The reservoir is heated slowly, which is a convert into the vapor states. The separating the continuous extraction separating using a consider tube and reservoir. The reservoir containing the organic solvent. The tube is fitted with condenser. The condenser is cooled with the evaporate state of solvent. This reservoir slowly heated with the convert into the vapor phases, which move up to the condenser and organic solvent into the liquid state. Heavier to the disaster withdraw aqueous form. The solute get transferred into the aqueous to organic. Bottom is separated with the this reservoir to organic layer. This is continuous till to maximum amount of solute is transferred into the aqueous to organic phase. Then by the opening of topper and separate with the aqueous layer, then solute can be form of organic. This is experimental setup of the continuous extraction. This is the metal the using to heaters. This is the solvent. The solvent is heated. This is the condenser. This is the tube. This is the reservoir. Here extracted the mixture of the sample. Here the mixture of the sample is here. The solvent is the evaporation solvent is dropped into the sample. This is extracted by the different path. This is the experimental setup of the continuous extraction methods. Here you show the different. The first one is heavier than the water. That means this type of instrument is using to the heavier than water. The next one is lighter than the water. The instrument is different with the different conditions. The second one is when the organic solvent is lighter than the aqueous. In this case, the reservoir containing the the reservoir containing warming to the convert into the vapor phase. This is the condenser is described to the Hopper type funnel. The liquid goes to the bottom with light, so the lighter to the aqueous solution. That means the organic solvent is lighter to compare with the aqueous phase. This aqueous phase is easily separated with the corresponding reservoirs. The next one is counter currenting extraction. The third method is counter currenting extractions. The solvent extraction. This method was described by the Kreise and Post. The organic solvent and to the aqueous solvent solution into the here is show the different types of instrument is using to the this technique. This method here is show the different type. Here the mixture of the solvent, the shaking to the transfer to the here A to E, the solvent is simply extracted. The organic solvent aqueous solution into the tube A. The starting stage is tube A and passed into the B. The shaking to passing to the B position is shake to the allow to attain to the equilibrium and operation liquid to the upper layer to the transfer of the aqueous solution is collected with the D. This is the different type of instrument is using to the current counter currenting transfers. Here is the A position. The solvent mixture is this insert to the A position. The shaking to solvent mixture is transferred to the B position. This B position shaking to transfer to the C. This C position are flipped to the this instrument to only aqueous phase or organic phase transfer to the D. This D into the next chamber A to B. The process repeated, two liquids get almost separately. This is the continuous counter currenting extraction using by the this type of instrument. This is the A chamber, B chamber, C chamber and D. D to easily separate with the E chambers.